Hi. If your mic or voice chat doesn't work in Warzone 4, don't worry. I'm here to help you fix it step by step. Let's start in the game. Open Warzone, tap the gear icon top right and go to audio. In audio, turn master volume up to 80 or 90. If there is no sound, this should sort it right out. Next, voice chat. Turn it on and set voice chat volume to 80 or 90. Select your mic, hit test and speak into it. Adjust mic level to 80 to 90. And open mic sensitivity to 70 to 80. If the bar moves, you're on the right track. Still not working? No problem. We'll check Windows, search Settings, go to the System, then Sound. Choose your output, like your headset. Then scroll to Input and set your mic as default. You should hear yourself now. Open Volume Mixer, find Warzone, unmute it and turn it up. Close Warzone, restart it, and test the chat. That should do it. And if you can finally hear your squad, hit the like so the algorithm helps other gamers fix this. Drop your ID in the comments so we can play together and subscribe for more guiding games.